This is Euclid Book 9, proposition number 9. And basically we're going to be using the same illustration in this proof as we did in the last proof. And voila, here it is. Okay. And it says, if as many numbers as we please beginning from a unit will be in continued proportion, and the number after the unit will be square, all the rest will also be a square. And if the number after the unit it will be cube, then also all the rest of them will also be cube. Let there be as many numbers as we please, A, B, C, D, E, and F, beginning from a unit in continued proportion, and let A, the number after the unit, be square. I say that the rest will also be square. Now it has been proved that B, the third from the unit, is square, as are also all those which leave out 1. And this is by Euclid Book 9, proposition number 8, which we covered in the last video. I say that all the rest are also square. For since A, B, and C are in continued proportion, and A is a square, therefore C is a square. This is by Euclid Book 8, proposition number 22. Again, since B, C, and D are in continued proportion, and B is a square, D is also a square. This is by Euclid Book 8, proposition number 22 again. Similarly, we can prove that all the rest are also square. Now, if A, B, and C are in a continued proportion and A is a square, then we're also going to say that C is a square. Now, if B, C, and D are in a continued proportion and we say that B is a square, then D will also be a square. That's what they're saying. Similarly, we can prove that all the rest are also square. Let A next we're going to let A be a cube. I say all the rest are also cube. Now it has been proved that C, the fourth from the unit, is a cube, as also are all those which leave out 2. This is by Euclid Book 9, proposition number 8. I say that all the rest are also cube. For since as the unit is to A, so as A is to B. As 1 is to A, so as A is to B. That's what they're saying. Okay. Therefore, the unit measures A the same number of times as A measures B. Okay. But the unit measures A according to the units in it, therefore A also measures B according to the units in itself, therefore A, by multiplying itself, has made B. Well, we've heard this 1,000 times. A times A makes B. And A is a cube. But if a cube number by multiplying itself makes some number, the product is a cube. And this is by Euclid Book 9, proposition number 3. Therefore, B is also a cube. And since the 4 numbers A, B, C, and D are in continued proportion, and A is a cube, D is also a cube. Okay? Now what we're saying here is that if A is a cube, then D will also be a cube. And this is by Euclid Book 8, proposition number 23. For the same reason, E is also a cube, and similarly all the rest are cube. That's your entire proof, people. I will tell you more in a future video. Stay tuned.